So let's do a little walk around here with the Robri stuff on it. It really completely changes the image of the car and gives it that old car look from the era it's in. It's kind of bad weather today, so I can't get it outside. So if you see here, we got the Robris on there with the crosshatch wheel trim. It just looks right with all that stuff. You know, that's the kind of thing. We got our badges rack. It's an old thing that did on Mercedes and stuff like that. Kind of incorporated that into the European Volkswagen. And you can see it just makes the molding look better along the running board when it has these on there. And the shape of these ones I really like. I've always liked these. That's how they look, so you guys can see on the car when it's down low. Look how it fits pretty good. Not too bad. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. Got my AAA on there. Have another thing I'm going to put on. I'll show you guys real quick that I haven't got to yet. I'm going to get that put on today. That's how this one looks. It's a little odd fitting back here, but not too bad. We got the boot scraper and the front one. You can see there's basically no gap in there. So anyway, that's the image I was going for there. I'll show you some more stuff I'm putting on. Got the Deutschland license plate. Is going to go in the front because it's an Arizona car, so there's no front license plate required in Arizona. So that's going on the front, but if you're going to put one of these on, they don't have holes in them, so you can drill a hole in it, I suppose, but I think I'm going to make a bracket that holds it up there. Then I have to find my fog lights. I have a set of fog lights, some glass fog lights that I was going to put on this car. It's going to be cool. They're probably not 6 volt, but I'll just put them on just for looks. I'm not going to use them. So anyway, that's the sort of how they look on the car. It looks really cool. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of work and it's a lot of money to put the Robri on. They're really expensive and they fit like shit, so you have to really work them, but it looks really cool. That's what I was willing to pay the price for it. If you're not willing to, then if you're not willing to pay a lot of money if you were to have somebody fit these, it would cost you a lot of money to have it done. I'm not going to even say how much, and then these are pretty expensive. Just the aftermarket ones. The original ones are really, really expensive. If you can find him, there's a guy in Germany who has them, but he's got a whole place full of them. But you're probably going to spend, I don't know, probably $800 for a set, something like that. So they have them at Wolfsburg West. If you wanted to get these Robri set with the or the wheel trim and the Robri, the guy to call is Eddie and Dave's Garage, and they have them at Wolfsburg West. But if you call him, I'm not going to tell you the price, but you call him and he can order them and from Japan, and it's going to be a bit less. So anyway, that you can do that if you want, if you were interested in that. But just be ready. Don't be sending stuff back to him and saying, hey, these don't fit. They don't fit. You have to make them fit. That's up to you. If you don't want to do the work, don't buy them. If you expect them to come out of the box and just bolt on your car and look perfect, do not buy the Robri set. You have to do the work to make them fit. And sometimes it's going to be way more work than you'd want to do. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.